The man convicted for a school shooting in Noblesville remains in custody tonight.
Yeah, a judge today asked attorneys to submit their best proposals and come back tomorrow. CBS 4's Max Lewis explains what's next.
It appears there will be two paths for the Noblesville school shooter, who is now 18 but was 13 when he committed that shooting. His attorney would like his client to be released into his parents' custody with several restrictions placed on him, such as GPS monitoring as well as mandated therapy. However, the Hamilton County Prosecutor's Office wants him moved into what they are calling a residential treatment facility, believing that he is still a risk to this community. Now, the shooter would likely already be in his parents' custody if it weren't for an incident back in March when the shooter fist bumped the breasts of a counselor at the Pendleton Juvenile Facility where he was serving his sentence for the school shooting. He was charged with sexual battery in that case, and it has led to this delay and debate over his release. That counselor made a victim impact statement today in court, saying the shooter bragged about what he did to her and called her several derogatory names, which we can't repeat here on television. She said it was demeaning, it made her self-conscious, and impacted her reputation at that juvenile facility. Prosecutors argue that incident shows that the shooter hasn't changed his behavior.
And it matches identically with what Dr. Ferraro, the doctor who did the psychiatric evaluation in 2018, that this person's test results show an individual whose intent is to demean, hurt, embarrass others.
Now, the shooter's attorney argues that report is outdated and represents his client when he was 13 and suicidal. He said the incident at the juvenile facility was stupid and an inappropriate mistake. The shooter's attorney also accused the state of trying to keep his client locked up until they legally can't anymore, which is when he turns 21. He made the argument that the focus should be on rehabilitation, and the Hamilton County Probation Department agreed in their recommendation that the shooter be released. Both sides have until tomorrow afternoon to submit proposed orders to the judge, and then he is going to pick which path the shooter is going to take. At the end of the hearing, the shooter, when he realized that there was not going to be a decision made today, sort of threw his head back in what appeared to be disappointment, annoyance. Nor his parents nor his attorney had anything to say following today's hearing. At the Hamilton County Courthouse, I'm Max Lewis, CBS 4 News.
Max, thank you.